Have you ever wondered what life with a squirrel is like? Well, you're about to find out. This is Peanut the squirrel and his human daddy. Peanut loves to eat all he can get his paws on, so he can have plenty of energy to play with his human. Peanut has quite the personality. He gets his daily dose of exercise by playing with his human. Who would think squirrels make such great pets? There's not a single dull moment in this household. Peanut never fails to make his daddy's day. Despite being only as big as a hand, Peanut has plenty of energy to run around and perform his antics. Just how adorable is he? The duo are living their best lives together. Peanut knows pretty well when the breakfast time comes. His favorite thing to do is most likely eating. They have such a strong bond, his human dad cannot imagine life without him. Living with a squirrel definitely has its perks. Who else is thinking of getting a squirrel as a pet right now? We cannot get enough of Peanut's energy. Now Peanut has its very own place to hang around. He can't contain his excitement. Whenever the fridge opens, the squirrel will jump right to his human. Peanut surely makes life so much better. Sometimes he gets needy too. He may be small, but he has lots and lots of character. This is most likely the cutest thing you'll see all day.